I want to take you guys on a journey with me on getting the CompTIA Sec A plus, starting from scratch. How did I even arrive at the conclusion of the need to get this certification? How does a person know like what certification to get in your career, either starting off or leveling up? Like, how do you know? I'm going to tell you guys my thought process and how I arrived at this and walk you through the whole process. This is going to be a multi-part series where I'm not only telling you about like how I got to this, but how do I apply to actually take the test, paying for it, and then all the way till when I take the test and then I either pass it or fail it. So let's start off with the beginning. How did I even arrive at the conclusion that I need to take, that I want to take this test? And it started off for me with this one is when I was in between jobs recently. Like recently in the last 3 months, I was laid off from my job because of Doge or some stuff that's happening in part of the government. The government's going through some kind of crazy reformation right now. So they're letting people go, hiring people back, paying people to leave, all kinds of stuff's going on. So in that whole chaos, I ended up being on the chopping block and was in between jobs and looking for a job. And in that in between time when I was looking for a job, this came up. This job was a really good job. Now it's only a 6-month job contract right here, and it's gone now. It's already gone, but it was an AI security operations engineer, and they contacted me. And my resume was pretty close to what you see here, but there were some key things that they really needed me to have. Some of the stuff I have exposure to AWS and GCP and stuff, but not necessarily in large AI enabled environments. At the time I didn't. And so there were some things here and there that I had and some things I didn't. This job was paying over $100 an hour, right? So what piqued my interest was not just the money, but the fact that I realized there's a huge need for this. And it's reminiscent of what happened when I went into IT in the beginning to do and then was introduced to cybersecurity. And when I heard about cybersecurity, like when I heard about what you do with it and all that many years ago when I first got in IT, a light bulb came on. I was like, this right here is absolutely necessary. And I was coming from a physical security background. So I understood many of the concepts and the reasons why you need it and all that kind of stuff. It just made sense to me. And the need for it was what pulled me in the most. This right here is going to be here for like this is not going to as long as we have data, there's going to be a need to secure that data. A light bulb came on for me just like that. This AI is not going to go away. It's just too useful. If you've used it